Hi, welcome into my channel. This video is about how big is the universe or the cosmos. So this is the way I make my videos, but I want to show to you and the official theory, okay, because I'm against the Big Bang and I cut from some videos from internet. I don't have anything with these guys, but it's in my way of my path of searching, okay. So I find on a team about Big Bang somebody and I cut some pieces and insert it into my video and I comment them to prove to you that the Big Bang is crazy science and it is false, and to prove to you that the Big Bang is false and is not a correct science. So this is the problem in this video. How big is the universe?
Alan, you have written down a number that has been the most emotionally effective number that I have ever seen in my life. You have said that the observable universe, what we can see today, which is, if you look out, you see about 13.7 billion light years, and if you understand the expansion of the universe, the whole universe diameter may have 40 billion light years, as big as that is. But all of that, if you compare it to the minimum that all reality is, that all reality is 10 to the 23rd power bigger than what we see in our observable universe. That's 100 billion trillion times bigger than what we see. It's astonishing.
So this is how I make my videos. I'm saying like a tea science or a coffee science. I have always here something to drink. So how big is the universe? I have this green tea and I have this grape and I like smash it and I made some grape juice. So this is the way I make my videos. So this is green tea science with a grape juice. So made by me from my garden. So this is the way I make my videos, okay. So how big is the universe? This closer to truth YouTube channel, this Galen Guth, that inventor, he voiced to say that a theory of the inflation says, but he made it, okay. But let me tell you what is wrong with the logic of it. So he says that that somehow how fast is the expansion, and this is growing exponentially, and from this exponentially growth, so you induce somehow that it is bigger than it is. But and then he says that it is bigger than how we observe to be. But so listen.
Yeah, one of the things that one finds in cosmology that hits one right at the very beginning is that the universe is just plain unbelievably big. Even the observable universe, which you sort of treated as trivial in your remarks, is incredibly big. Every galaxy has, on the average, maybe 100 billion stars, and then there are 100 billion galaxies in the visible part of the universe.
So he says that it is bigger than how we observe it. Billions of galaxies, billions of stars. Everybody recites these things. But you understand this is incorrect logic. He says that it expands. I promise to make like 2 weeks, even though I have barely few views, okay? But I have all videos with better visualization. But I promise to myself to put one a day for 2 weeks to see what happens, okay? I usually put it only 1 or 2 only. So so this is incorrect logic. The observable universe you must calculate with a constant of expansion or a medium of constant expansion. To give the age, you must already know the observable universe to give him back, okay. So now he pretends like exaggerating some science, like a square root. He makes a story like 2 a power of 2 in this video, and and this way he's falsifying a logic and everything. So Alan Guth, the inventor of the false blah blah theory that has no formula of inflation, but you understand that it's incoherent. So you must have the speed of recession. Hubble made on Andromeda the expansion 50 kilometers, and it was like all the galaxy must have this recession speed, and now they see the approaches Andromeda. They do not know that Hubble said, okay. And now if you have this speed, you give the universe back, you have 30.7 billion years. But if you do not have this constant or a medium, you cannot give him back. So now how through expansion with this inflation, stupid inflation, now you can understand that it is bigger than you observe it. So if you observe what you observe, you give back, and you understand, you make some distances. So with this recession speed, you understand. So it is false logic, if you understand. But I'm telling you something shocking in my channel. We cannot see the universe. He's saying that is, but he pretends somehow that it proves that it is bigger than it is, that it is observable, and you know this somehow. But you cannot know this. But I'm telling you something more stranger than what he says. So, but I let him hear him again. So I let you hear another part with him. This is the way I made my video. So let's drink some green tea with some grape juice, and hear another section from this.
But as you were quoting me, if a theory called inflation is correct, the observable universe is really only a tiny speck in a much bigger reality. This idea called inflation is a twist on the Big Bang theory, and it proposes that there was a period of exponential expansion in the early part of the universe. And by exponential expansion, what of course we mean is that there was a certain time in which the universe doubled in size, and then if one waits the same amount of time, it doubles again, same amount of time, it doubles again, and so on, this successive redoubling. And that leads to an unbelievably fast expansion.
Yeah, it's
So Alan Guth, this is what I commented, okay? So I'm saying a more shocking thing. We cannot see the universe, the cosmos. Maybe it's infinite, but we do not know. But we see only a small sphere, and the galaxies are small stars, put at the border of this sphere. But I've told you my first part that he speaks incoherent. Okay, so you believe him because he's like dazzling with great powers of inflation, double triple speed makes a big, but this is going to be shocking for everybody, and you'll understand how they were lying. We cannot see the universe or the totality of the cosmos, only a small sphere, that it is our galaxy, and the galaxies are stars put in clouds on the border of our galaxy, in clouds, and they have billions of pieces, but not stars like our sun and gravitational system. Small pieces like this, electroshocked, because there is an electric energy that flows in our galaxy, the sky, and we cannot see the universe beyond this. It could be that it will be infinite. We do not know, and we do not know how matter can be arranged. They are lying to you, and the stars are not like our sun. They are small, and we can reach the stars. So this is what I wanted to tell you always, but I want to point out to you that they are speaking illogically. Maybe you understand. So this piece, you understand. So let me show. I will show to you this another time. Because it will be going to be a big video. So this is the way I make my videos. It is incoherent to pretend like from 2 to the power of 2, like. So this is everything I wanted to tell you. It is illogical to suppose the like a doubling speed of expansion supposes that we do not see the universe, or there is another part we do not see. So goodbye, God bless. We see only one small sphere, and this inflation is stupid. Gravity is not attraction and cannot coagulate. Goodbye.